In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get out of a Cloudflare loop. You know the one, that verify you are human checkbox, that just keeps spinning, resetting, and asking you to check it again and again, no matter how many times you click it. It's genuinely frustrating, but there are several real fixes worth working through here. Let's dive right in. Quick refresher on what's happening. That checkbox is powered by a Cloudflare tool called Turnstile, which is trying to confirm you're a real visitor rather than a bot before letting you through to the site. A loop happens when Turnstile keeps failing to complete that confirmation, so it just keeps resetting and asking again instead of ever letting you past. Here's a fix that catches a lot of people off guard, so let's start with it. Check your device's date and time settings. If your system clock is off, even by a little, the security check Cloudflare runs can fail every single time without you ever knowing why, since the timestamps involved in verifying you stop lining up correctly. On Windows, head into Settings, then Time and Language, and make sure Set Time Automatically is switched on. On a Mac, that's System Settings, then General, then Date and Time, with the same automatic option enabled. This alone clears the loop more often than you'd expect. Next, make sure JavaScript is actually enabled in your browser. This verification simply cannot run without it, so if it's been switched off, whether by you, an extension, or a workplace device policy, you'll be stuck looping no matter what else you try. After that, check your extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers. These work by intercepting scripts running on a page, and if one of them is quietly blocking the verification script itself, the check can never actually finish. Try disabling your extensions one at a time, reloading the page after each, until you find the culprit. While you're at it, make sure your browser itself is genuinely up to date, and if you're using something less common or older, try switching to a current, widely supported browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge instead, since Turnstile is built around modern browser standards and can behave unpredictably on unsupported ones. Now, clear your browser's cache and cookies too. Old, corrupted session data tied to a previous failed verification attempt can keep triggering the exact same loop over and over, and clearing it out gives your browser a genuinely clean slate to try again. If none of that clears it, try switching networks entirely, like hopping onto your phone's mobile data instead of your Wi-Fi, or connecting through a different, reputable network if you have one available. Every so often, this loop is actually tied to something about the specific network you're on looking suspicious to Cloudflare's detection systems, and a different connection clears it up almost instantly. And finally, if you've worked through everything above and you're still looping, it's worth just waiting it out for a little while. Occasionally, this happens because Cloudflare's detection has flagged unusually strong bot-like signals tied to your connection at that moment, and simply trying again after some time has passed resolves it on its own. So to recap, check your device's date and time first, make sure JavaScript is on, disable your extensions one by one, keep your browser updated, clear your cache and cookies, try a different network if you're still stuck, and give it some time if nothing else works. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.